Today I am going to show you how to create an easy product animation in Canva. First of all, open a Canva, click on videos section, go on Facebook video. To that, change the background color, yellow, like this. Go on elements, go on the shapes, click on circle shape, increase the size. Okay, so duplicate and change the color. Now again duplicate this, decrease the size, change the color. Again duplicate, decrease the size, change the color. And last time duplicate this and decrease the size and change the color. And now go back and you can choose any product, like I am choosing shoes. Search here your product. I took this image. So I have added this image and now select this all and go on the position, and you have to make sure that these all elements are set up in middle and center. And after that, go on animation and click on pop. Select the pop animation and decrease the speed to 0. So here is our easy animation tutorial. I hope you like it. Subscribe to learn more about Canva.